I'm Nick Green from Greenlight Electrical, and in this video we're going to talk about the various different types of gates. So when we talk about the average cost for a swing gate, it really varies whether it's going to be a single leaf or a pair of gates and the type of material. But talking low, medium, and high, £6,000 would be your budget for a single 5-bar gate. £10,000 would be your budget for a pair of gates, half decent. And then if you wanted to go top of the range, you'd be looking at around about £15,000. Of course, it's really down to the scenario that you've got, your driveway, what features you want. But those are real good ballpark figures that should be able to cover something, Sliding gates are really different actually. So the cost of the gate tends to be a little bit more than a swing gate. The groundworks are a lot more involved. There's a track or there's a big pad foundation for it to be running off of. But actually, when it comes down to the automation, if it's designed properly, or if it can be designed to be automated, the automation is actually a little bit less. So the things you're looking for on a sliding gate is to make sure that if it's close boarded or infilled, you're looking to make sure there's no drawing in hazards, so you can't get your arm through it and it go back through the posts. So a solid infill sliding gate could be a real good kind of sort of £7,000-8,000, so middle range between your low and medium for a swing gate. Bifold gates are a bit of a safety concern, really. I mean, people will go for them because they haven't got the space on their driveway for, to be able to get the car in and the gate closed behind. But the problem is, each one of the leaves that folds in is then got a crushing hazard. So you're really looking at quite a hefty fee for the additional safety devices that goes into it. So you wouldn't be looking to get a bifold gate for anywhere less than sort of £12,000. A telescopic gate is, the fabrication that goes into that is a lot more. So, the automation can be a little bit simpler. If it's close boarded and there's no chance of any drawing in hazards or shearing hazards, the automation doesn't have to be particularly expensive, but it's a lot more mechanical, processes that goes into it. So you could be looking at, around about £12,000. So really the best thing to do is to give us a call and we'll give you some rough ideas of what you're looking at for your project. So if you can send some pictures in, we've also got a form just to make that a little bit easier. And from there we'll be able to give you a ballpark figure. And if that's something that's likely to go ahead, what we'll do is we'll come out and do a site survey before you commit to anything. So give us a call on the office on 01425 477 943, or you can email us at gates@gle-uk.co.uk.